In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to paste an image in Notion, whether you're utilizing the website or the desktop application. It's a straightforward process that enhances your ability to personalize your pages effectively. To begin, launch Notion and navigate to the specific page you wish to enhance by adding an image. You have the flexibility to either create a new page or select an existing one, whichever suits your current needs. Once you've opened your desired page, you have a variety of options to insert an image. The first method you can employ is the simple copy and paste technique. This is quite universal and probably the fastest way to get an image into your page. Start by selecting the image you want, either from your computer or directly from a web browser. Click on the image and use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C to copy it. Then, return to your Notion page and simply press Ctrl+V to paste the image. And just like that, your image is inserted seamlessly into your page. Another way to get an image into your Notion page is to upload it directly from your device. This option is useful if you have an image saved on your computer that you want to feature prominently. Simply look for the plus button on your page or type image to activate the command. A small menu will appear, and from there, select Upload. You can then browse your files and choose the image you want to insert. This method ensures you have control over the quality and format of the image that gets added to your page. If you find yourself wanting to use an image that's already on the page, for aesthetic consistency or otherwise, Notion makes it easy to duplicate it. Simply click on the existing image and use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+D. This duplicates the image, allowing you to use it in another location on your page without needing to upload or paste it again. This is particularly useful when you're curating a uniform look throughout your Notion workspace. It's important to note that these methods are consistent across both the web version and the desktop version of Notion, ensuring a seamless experience regardless of your platform preference. This versatility makes managing your digital workspace smooth and efficient. And there you have it. You've just learned how to paste images into Notion pages swiftly and effectively using multiple approaches. This process is designed to save you time and enhance the visual appeal of your documents. Thanks for watching today's tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to check out other videos in our series for more tips and tricks. See you in the next one.